What's going on, guys? So today we're gonna be trying to diagnose my car, which is just the throttle cable. I've been having that issue for a long time, even after my tune, and I'm trying to bring the car back to get it retuned with my friend Manny, because he needs to get his car retuned on with his LS VTEC setup, and I need to fix my throttle cable first. And yeah, that's pretty much like the main issue I have with the car as of now, and I still need to get alignment. I've been driving around like that, but I definitely should get alignment. First off, I want to start off by saying is, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and you'll always see content of this car and all my homies' cars. But this morning, I actually did go to Acura and pick up another throttle cable. Now, this is a brand new GSR throttle cable, and I'm gonna try test fitting on there to see if it fixes my issue. And also, this one already opened. This is a brand new ITR throttle cable. So someone said I should show part numbers more, and there you go. That is the GSR throttle cable, and this is the USDM ITR throttle cable. And yeah. And I also have I already threw the bag away. This is a brand new single cam throttle cable. So I have pretty much 3 brand new throttle cables that I have to just put on and try and just keep trying until it works. So I think the first one I'm gonna be doing is, of course, gonna be the GSR throttle cable to see if it works. And before I even do this, let me show you guys with my Honda app how far it opens up as of now, before I even like touch anything. Okay, so I'm sitting on my car right now. So benefits about using Honda, especially S300 V3, is you have Bluetooth capabilities and you can download the app off the App Store. So what I'm going to do is go on my app, which is right here, Honda Mobile, and I should pop that up. Why is my thing not focusing? Focus, bro. What's going on, camera? Alright, so we're in there, and right now you cannot touch anything because it's not in the on position. So key on, connect, S300 pops up. Now you can check by going to the sensor list. So you can see right there, TPS is at 0 right now. So if I press the gas a little bit, it should open up like that, and you go all the way up. So this is the cool thing about having Honda. You could check your TPS a lot easier. So right now I'm gonna put my foot all the way to the floor, and it opens at 78%. So it is opening at 78% throttle, or 75%. I think it's off and on right now because it kind of rigged up my throttle cable. Yeah. So yeah, so 77-78% is what I get right now, and I think because my pedal's touching the floor. But yeah, so what I'm gonna do is adjust the throttle cable. Well, put on the GSR throttle cable and then see what it goes to. But right now we're at 77 to 78. So alright, so yep, we're just gonna do some adjustments real quick. And I actually need to put my passenger seat back in. I picked up a seatbelt buckle back there. The homie Ethan, the guy that picked up my front bumper, my hood, and my tires and everything, he gave me that. So thank you, Ethan. I needed a seatbelt buckle. And yeah, so now we're just gonna put the keys here and then switch out the throttle cable. And I need to take out the bucket and move it back a bit so I can gain access to the pedals down there. So much throttle cable issues. The car is so fun to drive, but knowing that the car, like when I smash out and it's not opening 100%, it's just like kind of sucks. But I mean, it still does the job. But we're gonna fix that throttle cable today. First off, I want to apologize if there's any wind noise, because I do have my fan on. It is 90 degrees right now. San Diego weather is so bipolar. I hate it. But anyways, I have all my throttle cables laid out. So this is the ITR one right here. This is the GSR, which is a lot shorter than the ITR, you can see. And this is another that I bought this brand new from Honda because I thought I had a kink in my throttle cable. Single cam EX throttle cable. And let's see, I think this one, the single cam one, was $25, $30. The G-Star one surprisingly was the most expensive one. It was 50 bucks. Well, also probably because I don't get discounts at Acura. I get only discounts at Honda. So shit, if anyone works at Acura, let me know. So this one was 50 bucks, and this one I bought from Acura also, but with no discounts, and it was $35, which is weird because I thought having the word Type R in the logo, or I mean not the logo, in the name will make it more expensive. But this idea throttle cable was 35 bucks, brand new. So 35, 25, and 50. So it's like 100 bucks worth of throttle cables. So we're gonna start off by putting on the G-Star one, since I already have a single cam one on right now and it won't open all the way. So we're gonna try doing that first, and yeah, very simple. I just gotta take off. It's underneath the ITBs, so you guys can't really see. So I'm just gonna take it off and then put on the new one, and I gotta take off my bucket seat and push it back a bit so I can gain access to the pedal. But yeah, hopefully we get this thing to open 100% today, and if it doesn't, then shit. But well, it's whatever. We'll see what happens. So what I went ahead and doing is took off the bucket, moved it over there, and I actually tried it by going underneath there, grabbing the throttle cable by my hand and pulling it all the way, and see if I was even able to get 100% off the throttles, and I was able to. So the pedal needs more travel, which the pedal stop is already cut on it, or it just needs a better throttle cable. So I'm gonna try wind up the G-Star throttle cable now, since I do know holding it in my hand does get me to 100% on the TPS, so that's good. And that's what we mainly need, so we could get that extra power and throttle response. So I'm gonna get to installing the G-Star throttle cable. Pretty easy. You never ever done a throttle cable, then I don't know, but it's pretty easy. So I'm gonna do that real quick. And wow, this shit is greasy as fuck. So this is the single cam one, and I think it's still kinked though, so I'm still gonna replace it out of the way. If I pull it, it's like there's like a slight little like, it's not going in and out smooth. Now the one I'm gonna try using first is gonna be the G-Star. I've not opened it yet. It's slightly shorter, so it might actually help out a lot. There we go. And holy crap, it comes with a fatter like lock nut compared to the other one. Oh wow, this thing, that doesn't look right, but really smooth compared to the other one. First thing I'm gonna do is cut this off. I do not need this, and then that should give me more extra, like, you see. So yeah, I'm gonna cut that off real quick and then slap it on. Back in my car right now. I put the new G-Star cable on, so we are gonna check at where the TPS sits now. So let me just open up my Honda app real quick and connect it real quick. God, I love this app. This thing makes life so much easier. Sensorless. All right, so pay attention to that TPS right there. Let's see. Oh wait, my foot can't reach. Wow, it goes up to 90% now. So it went from what, 77, 78 to 90% now, and I think we get to 100% now. I found out one reason why the pedal won't go down to 100%. Well, I mean, the G-Star throttle cable made a huge difference, of course, but it's actually the pedals are on the car, the SRR pedals. The pedal, it's normally like this big, but then the SRR pedal makes it sit like this, so it's touching the floor a lot sooner. So if I take off that pedal, guaranteed 100% on the TPS. So I'm gonna just tighten up the throttle cable and then take off the pedal, and we'll see where we're at. And I'm so happy now I could go back and get a retune. Woo! At 100% throttle now. I got it fixed. So I take off the bottom bolt for the pedal, and if I put it down with the pedal, it gets to around 74% now. But if I move the pedal out of the way like that, just to test it, 108. Holy shit, it goes pretty damn far, but at least it goes over 100% throttle. So yeah, now I just gotta do some adjustments on the top, but hell yeah, now I gotta get a retune and get back to see what it makes now with full open throttle. So I'm just gonna wrap this portion up and then gotta put my seat back in and put the passenger seat and all that other stuff. But the T-pits is out of the way, or I mean the throttle cable. So also thank you to this guy. I don't know your name, I'm sorry, but I put it in the right here. He called me on my last video when I was posting up about my throttle cable issue, and he said that he used a G-Star cable on his, and that's what I tried, and it works. So, and I just had to remove my pedal. So thank you so much, man. All right, now, yeah, time to move on. What's going on, guys? A couple days have passed. I've just been busy with work, and the Black Friday sales. I actually worked on Thanksgiving, which kind of sucks, but whatever. More money for more car parts. But what I'm doing now is I just finished Black Friday shopping, and I went to go buy a single bin radio. So I bought this Pioneer one from Best Buy. It was like 40 bucks. I don't need nothing fancy, but I mean, I will admit I'm a huge fan of Alpine, but none of those are on sale, so whatever. And I picked up these Kenwood speakers. I don't need anything fancy, like I said. I just gotta listen to music somehow. So 6.5 and 6x9s for the rear. This one was 20 bucks and this was 30 bucks. And yeah, that was 40 bucks. So what I'm doing now is I already did the harness. You buy like one of these white ones right here. They plug right into OEM, so you don't have to cut your OEM harness, which you never want to do. So just plug it right in, and then this is the one for the radio. And I have butt connectors by electro taped it, so it looks a little cleaner. But what I'm doing now is normally the car or the single DIN comes with this piece right here, but what I'm actually going to be doing is taking that off so I could actually run it in my glove box. Now you guys are probably like, why you want to run your glove box? It's just cleaner, it hides it away, and this is Bluetooth, so I don't have to worry about it. And it does come with a remote, so I can adjust the volume from there, and it will always be connected to Bluetooth or USB wise. So I don't have to change anything or always click on the radio because the car doesn't have an antenna. I'm gonna have it like this. And how I'm gonna be doing that is drilling 2 holes right here, so I could put the screws in here and attach it right there, like that. And might be a little lopsided, so I might use some washers. Yeah, and then bolt it in, and then also I have to drill a hole right here, or probably on this side, so I could run the original harness through, and with this one right here. And luckily on the radio the plug is tiny, so I don't have to drill a big hole, and just plug it right in there like that. So it'll go in, and this will go up to the original harness, and that's it. And I just have to connect the speakers because the car doesn't have speakers either. But yeah, I'm gonna drill 2 holes real quick and show you guys where I'm at. So I just put a random screw in, and I didn't even drill a hole out, I just screwed it in because it's like one of those coarse thread ones, and it's actually in there really good, even just by 1 bolt or 1 screw, I mean. So it's like not going anywhere. So I might just put some electrical tape or something so it doesn't rattle. But besides that, I mean, holy crap, that's it. I think, oh yeah, I'll be able to close. So wow, okay, I'm gonna take this back off and then drill the hole, and then yeah, we'll be straight. So this is pretty easy. I feel like I don't need to like show you guys. It's just drill a hole, plug it up, that's it. I drilled the hole right here, and if I bring this out to where my car is, this fucking dog's annoying. Won't stop barking. Oh my god, this is my neighbor's dog. But so this is how I'm running it. See back there, this clips right in, and this is way more than enough slack. So all I have to do is just put it all in here, and we'll be straight. Now I can just mount the single DIN using that screw. Where'd it go? There's probably other better ways to do this, but this works for me. Just like that. You don't even notice it. And you can still put your your insurance and shit papers in there too. And alright, time to plug the battery in and see if it turns on. There we go. Set up. Yes. Oh shoot, what time is it? Hell yeah. Alright, before I get copyrighted. if I ever want to adjust, like, you know, the bass and the treble and all that, I just gotta pop it down and adjust it. But besides that, it's hidden away. Now I have to transfer over my EDM clock for this slot, and I'm gonna put the OEM block off plate here, but I'm gonna drill holes into the block off because I think this is kind of ugly, so I'm gonna use the OEM block off, and this could just remain as a cubby. So, but that's it. Just a little fun little Saturday after Thanksgiving. So like, comment, subscribe if you're not, and stay tuned for next videos. Peace out.